Let's learn names of animals. Frog, frog. Giraffe, giraffe. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Zebra, zebra. Rabbit, rabbit. Monkey, monkey. Panda, panda. Squirrel, squirrel. Snail, snail. Hen, hen. Roster, roster. Crab, crab. Turtle, turtle. Horse, horse. Cow, cow. Sheep, sheep. Fox, fox. Wolf, wolf. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Deer, deer. Raccoon, raccoon. Leopard, leopard. Ladybird, ladybird. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Tiger, tiger. Koala, koala. Loin, loin. Peacock, peacock. Donkey, donkey. Duck, duck. Gorilla, gorilla. Hedgehog, hedgehog. Swan, swan. Honeybee, honeybee. Ant, ant. Penguin, penguin. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Elephant, elephant. Crocodile, crocodile. Bull, bull. Camel, camel. Ostrich, ostrich. Snake, snake. Scorpio, scorpio. Cockroach, cockroach. Mouse, mouse. Hyena, hyena. Bear, bear. Pigeon, pigeon. Eagle, eagle. Moose, moose. Dog, dog. Owl, owl. Cat, cat. Beaver, beaver. Hope you learned new animal names. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun Factory Kids. See you in another video.